Hello, this time we're gonna disassemble a brand new HP laptop. The exact model is HP Pavilion Gaming Laptop model 15-CX0066. The problem with this laptop is that it's about 2 days old and it's got a liquid damage. It doesn't power on. So since I gotta fix it, I decided to make a video. I haven't disassembled that type of model until now, so probably it should all go out with the bottom cover, but let's start. The battery is internal, so we start by removing the screws. It's a pretty decent laptop with a 8th generation Intel CPU. It's got a GTX 1016 VGA card. Pretty good machine, but still with a liquid damage. The screws on the back side are a little longer, so you should be careful about that. The ones in front are shorter. Now I think we have to lift this cover. Let me see where we're gonna start. I think on this side somebody already tried to open it. You should be careful because the bottom is metal, but the palm rest is actually plastic, so start separate it slowly. On both sides. Like this. Be careful here with the plastic fan grill, like this. Just remove it. Basically, you can use this for a video upgrade also. We have a M2 slot here on which you can place a regular or a NVMe SSD hard drive. Right now is with a Western Digital NVMe SN520 model. The size of the SSD is 2280. We have a place for a regular hard drive. You can put even a 9mm hard drive. That's the internal battery. The cooling is actually very nice. We have dual fan cooling with 2 pipes. So pretty decent model actually. So if you wanna clean the laptop, you just have to unscrew all the screws here which are holding the cooler. You have to take the screws from the fan and hold this thing will be up. Well, let's do it since I gotta disassemble the whole laptop. So we have to disconnect the cables for the fans first, like this. We start removing the screws, since I gotta take the whole board out. First, let's remove the battery actually. It's held by 3 screws. You just have to lift it like this. Then we'll remove the screws of the CPU and the VGA card. All the screws should be the same size here, so you don't worry. Now we have to remove the screws which are holding the fans. 2 on each side, I think. Yep. First we're gonna remove the fans. We have to disconnect the speaker cable. Like this. And now we have to lift the whole cooling system. Gently slide it left to right and remove it. Basically, that's the whole procedure. Now you can clean the old thermal paste if you like, put a new one, reassemble everything on the reverse, and put the bottom cover back. Now I have quite a lot of work to do to remove the whole board, but basically that's the clean procedure and the procedure if you want to upgrade to add a SSD drive or to change the regular one. That's it for now. I hope you like the video. Like and subscribe if you do. Bye bye for now.